Hi to all. Today we are going to discuss strategic formulation. Strategic formulation is an analytical process of selection of the best suitable course of action to meet the organization objectives and vision. In another way, to get organization success, what are the plans we need to implement, how we need to go work on. The best example of strategic formulation in the present situation we can know as Geo. Why? Because Geo is not there in a market the last 4-5 years back, but present it is ruling the market and the market share values and getting funds from the different countries with crores and crores of rupees. It is one of the steps of the strategic management process. The strategic plan allows an organization to examine the resource, providing financial plans and establishing most appropriate action plans for increasing profits. In other way, strategic plans allows the organization to increase resources, provides plans and appropriate action plans to increasing the profits. It is examined through SWOT analysis. SWOT is an acronym for strength, weakness and opportunities and threats. The strategic planning should be informed to all the employees so that they know the company objectives, mission and vision. It provides the direction and focus to the employees. In the other way, SWOT analysis is an important thing. It means strength, weakness and opportunities and threats. And all the employees who are working in the organization should know the company's objectives and what the mission and vision. Because every employee should know the organization objectives so they can direct or indirectly helpful for the organization, or if they are unable, so we need to give the training and focusing them. In that, establishing organization objectives, analyzing the organizational environment, forming quantitative goals, objectives in the context with the divisional plans, performance analysis and selection of a strategy. First we are going to see establishing of organization objectives. Organizational objectives. This involves establishing the long-term goals of an organization. Strategic decision can be taking place once the organizations are determined. In the organization objectives, long-term planning we need to concentrate and we need to see how we need to survive in the market and what are the strategies to implement for the survival. Analyzing the organizational environment. This involves SWOT analysis, meaning identifying the company's strength, weakness and opportunities for competitors and understand the opportunities and threats. Strength and weakness are the internal factors which the company has to control over the opportunities and threats are the other hands are the external factors which the company has to control. A successful organization builds up strength, overcomes its weakness, identify new opportunities and protects against the external threats. In the other way of analysis of organization environment, SWOT analysis is to be strength, weakness and opportunities. So we need to know the competitors, challenges, the weaknesses and strength. Then we can understand our situation. Strength and weakness are the internal factors. Every organization has strengths and weakness. First of all, we need to have this, what is our strength and what is our weakness of our company. And opportunities or threats are the external factors which the other companies are having. A successful organization can build strengths, overcome its weakness and identify the opportunities and go for a success of the organization. Forming of quantitative goals. Defining the targets so to meet the company's short-term and long-term objectives. An example, when we are planning in a short-term plan, organization should plan according to situations, according to market demand. And when we are increasing our long-term planning, we need to increase our revenues by every year and year. Objective in the context with the individual divisional plans. This involves stepping up target for every department so they convert coherence with the organization as a whole. In other way, every organization or individual departments has to have some targets. When we are giving some target, then only they can work with a full-fledged. If you are not giving target to the individual departments, they may not work in a proper way and it affects the organization effectives. Performance analysis. This is done between the estimation, the degree of variations between the actual and the standard performance of the organization. Example, organization performance can be estimated. What is the present situation of the organization and what are the standards steps taking place? Based upon situations, we know the performance analysis. On the selection of strategy, this is a final step of strategy. It involves an evaluation, alternatives, and selection of the best strategy among the strategy of the organization. Another way, a number of solutions will be there or alternatives will be there for the company, so we need to choose the best from them. Levels of strategy formulation in this corporation level, business level, and functional level. First, we go for corporate level. This is an outlet what we want to achieve: growth, sustainability, acquisition, or retrenchment. It focuses on you are going to enter into the market. The main objective of corporation level strategy is how we need to grow or how we need to sustain in the market are the main functions. Because how we need to attract the customer or which type of products we need to produce, how we need to enter into the markets goes for corporate level strategies. Next one is business level strategy. This is level of answer the question how we are going to compete. It plays in the organization smaller units and you consider to be strategic business units. When we are having another way of business level strategy, when we are in a market, how we can compete with other competitors, and if we are having a small organization also, how we are going to compete, or if we are having a big organizations, so we need to plan how we are going to compete with the market. Next one is functional level strategy. This is strategy helps concentrate how organization is going to go. It identifies daily actions including allocation of resources, delivery of corporate and business level strategies. Hence, all the organizations have competitors and the strategy enables on business because more success and established than the others. In the functional level strategy, how we are going to grow our organizations, how we need to allocate the resources to increase our business strategies, and how we need to face the competitors and how we need to face their strategies for success of our business.